So for a sweet boutique business, we have some followings here of the industry of baking. They have a multitude of different kinds of desserts, ingredients, none of sweet boutiques, but just new desserts that's coming out. So this is very key and important for us to remember. Um, I didn't know it was this easy to get ingredients to make so many desserts. I found it interesting because if you give all the ingredients away of how you make it, then how are you gonna make money when someone can just make your dessert and start their own business selling your dessert? So I found that to be very interesting. This here is also one that's been followed. I decided to follow because gluten free I'm sure it's a large market of people that's gluten free desserts. Uh, Here in Google Alerts, my name of course and Anish, Anishly and Sweet Tooth Shop, they're both are the competitors. Of course, Sweet Boutique is my case study company, and Miss T is a blogger that's located in Fayetteville, North Carolina. Uh, let's go through one of these um, and show that we want to see how often as it happens, uh, and we want to see all the results. I didn't know it was that easy to track and follow something or anyone. And here we have inside of Hootsuite. This is my page here, uh, followed by Sweet Boutique, my case study company. This here is competitor one, competitor two, and Miss T once again, uh, which we're following. BuzzFeed is has 23 million followers, so I feel it'd be uh, very, very useful to follow them. Um, this is all, like I said, very interesting to be able to follow so many things at one time, and will definitely benefit the company. Watching everything new come out at one time, I didn't know it could be this easy to spy on your competitors. Uh, yeah, so I guess that would be all. Thank you.